How to transfer GCredit or GCash gifts to your GCash wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is useful when you want to convert your available GCredit or rewards into spendable funds in your wallet. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device and tap on View All Services. Scroll down through the menu until you find the PAA Outlets section. Your screen should look similar to the layout shown in the video. Next, tap on Deposito Sapondo or Depondo depending on your app language. This section shows the amount you are allowed to add to your GCash wallet using your available credit or gift balance. Tap Continue to proceed. After that, select the GG option, which refers to GCash gift or GCredit based loading options. You'll be presented with several installment plans or one-time conversion options. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Once you confirm your choice, the selected amount from your GCash gifts or credit will be transferred directly to your GCash wallet. You can now use it for various transactions like bills payment, online shopping, or even sending money. So that's basically how you can transfer GCredit or GCash gifts to your GCash wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.